So here we have a 60-foot double wide container workspace, and this is a pretty unique configuration, but it's also a great example of what you can do with containers depending on the project. In this case, the customer is an industrial gas company that needs to replace some outdated offices, and the space that they have for a new structure is very long and narrow. So we worked with them to create a layout that would fit within that space. We did a 40-foot double wide engineered to attach to a 20-foot double wide to fit perfectly within the narrow strip of land that they have. Inside, we worked with the customer to create and modify a floor plan that works well for their employees. So there are about 5 private offices, each with their own climate control. There's also a private bathroom with a shower because it's an industrial site and employees may need to wash up after a shift. There's also an open common area that has a built-in kitchenette. We also added an epoxy flooring that's non-slip and holds up really well to wear and tear. And we did spray foam insulation on all 6 sides of the container, including underneath, to keep employees comfortable no matter the weather.